Hi everyone, welcome to JSR Voice. Today in this class, I want to discuss with you all accounts from incomplete records, chapter introduction, as well as how many accounts we are going to prepare under this accounts from incomplete records. Accounts from incomplete records means accounts that we prepare for the business organizations who follows single entry system of maintaining accounting records. So under this system, under accounts from incomplete records, in total how many accounts we are going to prepare? So here we don't prepare accounts, we prepare statements. Hope this is clear for everyone. But how many statements we prepare here? Mainly 4 statements we prepare here. We prepare 4 statements. Students, you can watch the screen and you can listen to my class. Okay. So here we can prepare 4 statements. First statement is opening statement of affairs. Statement of affairs means balance sheet. Statement of affairs means balance sheet. Opening statement of affairs means opening balance sheet. So this opening statement of affairs is prepared with the help of the details provided in the question at the beginning of the year or on the opening day. So with that information we prepare opening statement of affairs. Why we prepare this opening statement of affairs? To find out opening capital. So if we prepare this first statement, we are going to find out something. What is that something? Opening capital. So we can call opening capital also as capital at the beginning of the year. Hope this is clear, students. And next, second statement is closing statement of affairs. Again, statement of affairs means it is nothing but balance sheet. Closing statement of affairs means closing balance sheet. So, here this closing statement of affairs we prepare with the help of the details provided on the closing day of the business. So, on the closing day, whatever information is given in the question, with the help of that, we are going to prepare closing statement of affairs. So, if we prepare this statement, what we can find out? We can find out closing capital. Okay. So, if we prepare closing statement of the affairs, we are going to find out closing capital. So, closing capital also called as capital at the end of the year. Hope this point also is clear for everyone. And next, third one is statement of profit and loss. So here we are going to prepare statement of profit and loss. Okay, so this is a third statement. So the name itself is giving information or clue that we are going to find out either profit or loss by preparing this third statement. Okay, and next, final statement of affairs. Statement of affairs means balance sheet. So this fourth statement is final statement of affairs. After preparing all first 3, then including adjustments, along with adjustments we are going to prepare this final balance sheet. Okay, it is nothing but final statement of affairs. Okay, so these are the total 4 statements that we are going to prepare under accounts from incomplete records. Okay, and let us discuss what are the formats for all these 4 statements. Go to the discussion and let us go here. Let us go to the first format discussion. Opening statement of affairs looks like this. Okay, so statement of affairs means it is nothing but balance sheet. I already said. So we have to draw columns of balance sheet. They are liabilities, amount, assets, amount. So on the top we should write opening statement of affairs. As I said already, if we prepare this, we are going to find out opening capital. Okay, that is the answer here. So on liability side, we should take all liabilities whatever are given in the question, but generally these are the liabilities that what I have given here. Okay, so I will read out the liabilities names: sundry creditors, bank overdraft, bank loan, bills payable, outstanding expenses. These are the liabilities which actually we deal in this chapter. Okay, we actually get this kind of liabilities in all the questions. So you have to remember this and go to the asset side. These are the assets generally that we get and we can record here: land and buildings, plant and machinery, furniture and fittings, sundry debtors, bills receivable, stock, cash in hand, cash at bank, prepaid expenses. So we have to total all these. Always total on asset side will be more, liability side total will be less. So you have to find out the difference of that. Okay, so for example, asset side total is 1 lakh, liability side total is 60,000. Then liability side total is less. Okay, then if you deduct those two totals, we get 40,000. So we should record on liability side 40,000 and we should name it as opening capital. In brackets we should write balancing figure. Okay, because we are finding it out. That is the answer here that we get by preparing this opening statement of affairs. Hope this is clear, students. Okay, in case of any doubts you can mention in the comment box so that I will reply and I'll clarify your doubts. Okay, so opening capital also is called as capital at the beginning of the year. Remember this point also. Let us go to the second statement format. This is a second statement, that is closing statement of affairs. Same, closing statement of affairs means what? Statement of affairs means balance sheet. Closing statement of affairs means closing balance sheet. So it also looks like opening statement of affairs. But what is the difference between these two? Opening statement of affairs is prepared with the help of the opening information. Closing statement of affairs is prepared with the help of the closing information. Okay, that is closing information means information that is available on the closing or year ending date. So here both are same, but we prepare by taking the details on the opening day and we prepare opening statement of affairs. Closing details we consider and we prepare closing statement of affairs. Okay, and if we prepare opening statement of affairs, we find out opening capital. If we prepare closing statement of affairs, we get closing capital. That is the only difference. Okay, same assets, same liabilities we can see here. You can see, you can compare both, all same assets, same liabilities are recorded. Okay, just answer is different. Here in opening statement of affairs, opening capital. Closing statement of affairs, what is the answer name? Closing capital. We are going to find out the closing capital. So same items but values may differ. Whenever we take the information from the question, opening information values may be different if we compare with the closing information. Okay, so hope this is clear. And third statement is statement of profit and loss. This is a statement of profit and loss format, students. Okay, only two columns we should draw, that is particulars and amount. On the top you should mention statement of profit and loss. Okay, and always here we have to follow a perfect format in the order. First item always is closing capital. The other name for closing capital is capital at the end of the year. So information will be available in the question and you have to take that value in the amount column. Okay, suppose if closing capital is not given, we find out here in the second statement, no, closing capital. So this amount we should take. Next, after that, add drawings. If any drawings information is given, you add here. Okay, if you add drawings, you will get one value. You can see here. So I marked it, I just written here by using red color. Okay, if you add these two, we will get one value. And next one is less additional capital. Okay, if additional capital information is given, write that amount in the amount column. If it is not given, put dash or nil. Okay, and if you deduct this, we will get again one more value. We should name it, students. What name we can give? Adjusted capital. This should be named as adjusted capital. Okay. So next, after this, less opening capital. So opening capital we should write here. If it is given in the question, fine. If they don't give, we have to find out opening capital by preparation of this opening statement of affairs. We get here, no, that is the opening capital. Okay. So next, if you deduct this from the previous value, you will get one value. So that is known as profit or loss. If this amount is in positive, then that is treated as profit. If this is in negative, it is treated as loss. But in case if any adjustments are given in the question, then you have to continue. Okay, that itself is not called as profit or loss. If adjustments are not there, that itself, here itself we can finish it and we can name it as either profit or loss. Okay, but if any adjustments are there, we have to continue this statement of profit and loss. So what we have to do with the adjustments? Some adjustments we are going to deduct, some adjustments we are going to add. What we deduct, what we add. Okay, we should see. So if any adjustments are there, don't name this value as profit or loss. After adjustments, whatever you get, that is known as profit or loss. If adjustments are not there, this amount itself is treated as profit or loss. Okay. సో అందరికీ అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటాను. అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడనే ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అని అనకూడదు ఓపెనింగ్ క్యాపిటల్ తర్వాత. అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ తర్వాత వచ్చిన అమౌంట్ని లాస్ట్లో అది ప్రాఫిట్ ఆ లాస్ అని చెప్పాలి. ఓకే. So what are the adjustments that we are going to deduct? You can see students here. Depreciation, outstanding expenses, bad debts, provision for bad debts, interest on capital, loss on sale of assets. So these are the adjustments that we write under less. Less means minus. Okay, we deduct all these adjustments. So whatever you get in the question, that you record here. You may get all, you may get few, you may get one, you may get two. Okay, so adjustment may be anything, but you should be able to determine whether it comes under less or add. So next, add. What we can add? Prepaid expenses, profit on sale of assets, interest on drawings. These we can add, students. Okay, hope this is clear. So last we will get one value that is named as profit or loss. If the last amount is whatever we get at the end, that is in positive, then we call it as profit. If it is in negative, we call it as loss. Hope this is clear. Okay, and fourth statement, come to fourth statement. Here I told that last one is final statement of affairs. So there is no format for that. Statement of affairs means balance sheet. So we prepare in the similar way how we prepared opening statement and closing statement, but only we take the assets and liabilities what are given in the question, and with the help of that we are going to prepare final statement of affairs, but along with adjustments. Okay, so that I will discuss with you whenever I discuss any question and its solution. So there I will explain how to do final statement of affairs. Okay, hope this is clear, students. So total, these are the accounts that we are going to prepare in case of accounts from incomplete records. I will show one by one. You can watch it once. So in total 4 accounts. First account format, not 4 accounts, sorry, 4 statements. Okay, and first statement is opening statement of affairs. This is a format of that. And second statement is closing statement of affairs, and this is a format of that. And third one is statement of profit and loss. Okay, this is a format of that. Fourth one is final statement of affairs. I already intimated you that I will explain that whenever I discuss solution for any question, because we are going to prepare that like balance sheet along with adjustments, and that total should get tallied. Okay, so this is clear, students. And if you understand the class, like the video, share it and subscribe the channel, and share to the other students, those who need it, so that it will be helpful for them also. Thank you.